Welcome to this quick walkthrough of your savings tracker spreadsheet. In this video, I'll show you around the file and explain how each tab works, step by step. Everything you see here works in both Excel and Google Sheets, so you can use whichever is more comfortable for you. If you're watching this on YouTube and you don't have the spreadsheet yet, you'll find a link in the description where you can grab your own copy and follow along with the video. Let's start on the Instructions tab. This page is a simple guide you can come back to at any time. It explains what each tab does, which cells you can edit, and which ones are locked because they contain formulas. There's nothing to fill in here. It's just your reference point in case you forget something later. Now, let's move over to the Goals Setup tab. This is where you'll enter all the details for your saving goals. A quick note before we start. You should only type into the white cells. The coloured cells are protected because they contain formulas that make the dashboard work. If you click a coloured cell, you might see a small warning. Just press Cancel and carry on. Nothing will break. At the top, you'll see the currency drop-down. Click the arrow and choose the currency you want to work with. Once you pick it, all the amounts in the spreadsheet will use that currency symbol. Next, you can start adding your goals. For each one, type in the goal name. For example, family vacation, new car, or emergency fund. Then add your total amount to save. This is the full number you want to reach for that goal. Below that is your monthly target, which is how much you'd like to save every month. This doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a guide to help work out your timeline. Then choose your start date. And if you've already saved something for this goal, put that amount into the Start Amount box. Everything else, like how much you've saved so far, how much is left, how many months are remaining, and the estimated end date, will update automatically based on what you log later. You can enter up to 12 goals here. If you finish a goal, you can simply clear the line and type in a new one whenever you like. Once you've set everything up, you usually won't need to come back to this tab very often. Next, let's look at the Transactions log. This is the tab you'll use most regularly, because this is where you record every amount you save. Whenever you add money to one of your goals, enter the date, choose which goal the money goes toward, and then type in the amount. You can also add a short note, which can be really helpful later. For example, you might write refund from car insurance, bonus income, or unused budget. These little notes make it easier to remember where the money came from when you look back in a few months. You can log savings daily, weekly, or monthly, whatever fits your routine. As soon as you add a new entry, the totals on your dashboard update automatically. Now let's move to the part most people enjoy the most, the Dashboard tab. This page gives you a clean visual overview of your progress. At the top, you'll see your total goal amount, how much you've saved in total, and how much is still left to save. Below that, each goal has its own donut chart. The colours show how much is saved and how much is left, and you also get the exact numbers underneath. Total saved, total left, how many months are left, and the estimated end date. This tab is fully protected, so you can scroll around and view everything, but you can't accidentally change anything. That keeps all the formulas safe. You can also print this page or export it as a PDF if you want something to keep for motivation. Some people like to stick it on the fridge or keep it in a planner so they can see their progress at a glance. And that's it. That's the whole spreadsheet. Set up your goals once, log your savings as you go, and let the dashboard show you your progress in a clear and simple way. If you have any questions or need help with anything, feel free to reach out.